Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. If you are new and watching this video for the first time or have searched our website or YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe and like this video. Also, please watch full video so that we cannot miss this opportunity. Today we will discuss about fully funded Italian government scholarship. So you have a very high chances of studying Italy and it's for the University of Bologna or in US accent it is also known as Bologna. So in Asian accent you can say it Bologna. So overall, all you can do is just study in Italy for absolutely free with stipend, and it's a fully funded scholarship for session 202 to 2023. We will show you each step with registration, scholarship application, and admission application. We will discuss in a while. Before that, I am reminding you again if you have not subscribed to YouTube channel, please press subscribe button and like this video. You can get this Italy scholarship link from video description below. Please check the video description. Link is given there. Just click the link given in video description. It will take you to our website here. Also, you can message us or follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships. Scholarship link is also given in Instagram bio, or you can message us or comment down below video if you need any doubts. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. We will answer that. Easiest and simple way is just check video description. Link is given there. It will stay there always. Now, once you click on that link, it will take you and you will land on this website. Here you can check University of Bologna, Italy government scholarships for academic session 2022 and 2023. It's open now and it's one of the oldest universities in the world and it's one of the best and top university in the Italy for international students as well. So you can study even without IELTS and TOEFL. Students like bachelor's and master's degree can be covered under this university. So we will discuss it in a while. Here you can check some basic details like country Italy and degree bachelor's, master's, combined bachelor's and master's. Similarly, award fully funded Italy government scholarships for international students. There are two deadlines. First, for bachelor's, it's 30th of April 2022 and second, 31st of March 2022 for master's degree. So bachelor's 30th and 31st for master's, April and March respectively. Then you can check duration of scholarship varies from 4 years and for masters 2 years. Financial coverage, everything is covered. You can check 11,000 euros are yearly allowances, so you can convert into your regional currencies. After that, you can check major courses: economics, education, engineering, architecture, humanities, language, literature, law, medicine, pharmacy, biotechnology, political science, science, sociology, sports sciences, statistics. So you can check all top courses are covered, and then major master's degrees can check. Even veterinary science is covered, veterinary medicine is covered. So combined bachelor's, masters, both are covered. So you can check simple eligibility criteria. You must be a non-European student and simply basic deadlines, basic eligibility criteria are there, and deadlines we have reminded you. Then once you are done, we have checked eligibility, everything you have covered. Now you need to scroll down and click this red apply now button given at the end of this page here. Click on this link here. Once you click on that link, it will take you to the official University of Bologna. So you can check Italy website. So you can change language here. If it is in Italy, you can click on EN so that it can convert English. So here you can check Univo Action 1 and 2 study grants and tuition fee waivers for international students for academic year 2022-2023. You can read details again here. We have already mentioned that. Here you can check requirements, timing and methods, and you can check everything. So based for masters and then for bachelors as well as both links are given here. Now once you read everything, you can check application must be submitted exclusively through student online. This student online is an official portal from the University of Italy, this Bologna University, and this is a portal where you can sign up, then apply for scholarships as well as admissions at a same portal. So we will show you that. You can read these details other than the renewals are also mentioned here, how to renew the scholarship. Now once you have done everything, just click on this link given here, student online here. Click on that link. Here you can check student online. This page will show you login, retrieve your password if you have forgot, and then if you are not registered, just click on this register button. If you are visiting for this for the first time, if you have not submitted any application in Italian university earlier, this we will show you again how to. We have earlier made the same university video separately. Now again we will show you. If you are visiting for the first time and have not registered, just click on this register button here. Once you click on register button, it's for the Italian university, but it's for the Italian students. As we are international, just click on this international student registration. Click on this link here. Wait for the page to load. So you can check page is loading. Now submit these details correctly. These are very important details. Name, surname. You don't need to fill again these in the application form. All you have to do is just fill them once. Now some basic detail: name, surname, gender, date of birth, country, town of birth, citizenship, then email, phone number, confirm email, then the country residence address, and then next. After next, you have to check the summary that your details are correct, then you have to register the account. You have to use the same email and your password will be generated here. Once you have your password and your email, then click on this login here. So let's wait for the login. Page is loading, so you have to wait. And here this page will appear in front of you once you click on login. Once you are signed up and you have your details, then click on login. After logging in, you have to click on this enter UNI VO details. These will be also, they will give you this university email. So you don't have to use the Gmail. All you do is just keep this email and remember this email. Once you click on this account, once you reach on this account step, after clicking next, you will be given university email. So you don't have to use your own Gmail, just university will give you their professional email. So you can check work email or professional student email is given here. And you have to generate this password while you log in for the first time. After you have your email and password ready, just click on sign in. So wait for the page load. Now you can check we have successfully logged in. We have previously shown this application, but we cancelled it on our own. So now you won't see anything like this. Only these tabs will show in your account if you are logging for the first time and have not previously submitted. So for the first time, just click on this enroll in a degree program. Now first cycle like for bachelor's and second cycle for masters. Before that, let's go back and choose type. Let me go to the home first. Click on this take part in admission. So here you can check first level professional masters and second cycle master's degree. In the notification you can check. Okay, so let me show you. So here you can check for students who are interested in registering a second cycle degree. So we need to register for a second cycle degree program. That's this. Just choose this program, then click next. After that, choose the course that you are looking to apply. For example, this civil engineering I am interested, or you can choose a career like environmental engineering. So let me choose this, then click on next. Once you have your course, just choose the first intake, then select next. Now your personal data will be filled as when you sign up. When you sign up, like here, these details will be used automatically here, so you don't need to fill again. Just check the details, then click on next. Once you have everything, just check the qualification and submit the details like your previous I have already qualification. So if you are yet to graduate, if you are in still in the seventh semester or last semester of your bachelor's, or if you are in the last year after your bachelor's, just choose I will be graduating and set the date like this. And if you have already graduated a year or 2 years ago, just choose this and then select the country where you have completed your education. Then select the name. After that, academic degree awarded like bachelor's, like BTech. After that, choose the location where you studied and then postcode and address. Then click on next. Now statement. Choose that you are non EU student with EU equivalent states. I am a non-EU student legally residing in Italy, but we are not. So student residing abroad. I am non-EU student, and this choose you have to choose the third option. Then click next. Now check summary. We have everything. So you can check application fee is zero. You don't have to fill the application fee. It's absolutely free. Choose the academic like your passport. Then choose the passport number. Then expiry date of that passport. Then confirm. Now you can choose, check that the application has been accepted. All we need to do is just we can modify this application also before that it's under evaluation. Till then, we have to complete the documents. We need to attach all requirement documents. So these are the required documents like identification document, degrees, and CV, proficiency certificate. Like if you have your previous course, you don't need IELTS. All you need to is just English proficiency certificate from your previous institute that your course was taught in English. Then transcript records, all you have to complete, just click on this attach your documents and then add these documents one by one. Let me show one document. Like first, I have chosen the identification document. This is where I mentioned my passport. If you don't have passport yet, you can submit your national ID. Then attach file. So after attaching file, click on save. So it will automatically upload. So you can check we have uploaded. Green tick is here. Now attach these documents, CV and other documents. Then documents to attach according to call of application, statement of purpose, reference letter, program outline, like which course you have applied. Then copy of valid permit T, like if you have only if you are non, so you have to, like if you have like you are not barred for the visa, you have to show that you are valid. So just submit your passport here. Then additional documents if you have any, and request for adaptation. So once you have everything done, you can go to the home button here. Just go to the home. Now our admission section is clear. So we have some documents to be completed. Once you clear the documents, it must turn green. So it will be yellow. If you are accepted, it will turn green and you can download your offer letter. Now you have completed the admission part. Now click on this calls button here to apply for scholarship. Now we need to search for the call that's mentioned here. This call, Unibo Study 2 and grants, that's deadline for the for April and March. So let me choose this, choose the March deadline. Let me check that. So you have to easily search this carefully. So just click or easily that find that call. So if you have any doubts, you can translate it to the English language. So here you can check Unibo Action 2. This is Unibo Action 1 and 2. So like Unibo Action 2 means masters. This is Unibo Action 1 and 2. So you have both at the same. Just select that, choose this, take this blue button here, that point, then click on next. So you can check, you can submit the application, then click next. So we have already filled that admission process. Now choose the title like we have filled for the environment. Remember that you which submission you have made. Then qualification like previous qualification, avoiding institute, then previous university, town, country. If you have GRE test, you can select that, then you can click next. So GRE selection is compulsory for masters. Choose that. Now you can check personal data is automatically filled. Click on next. Now on the summary, type the passport number which you have earlier chosen, then expiry date. Now confirm. So you can check your application has been accepted. All you need to do is just fill the passport, scorecard, and then qualifications. You have to upload these documents. So that's it. You have your application completed for both like scholarships and admissions. All you need to is you can check application submitted. Same must be here. Once you upload your documents, same should be here. So you have to upload both documents in the both. If you want to know how, you can click on see detail here on the right side of this page. So then you can attach your documents. Once you have your document, you can also modify the application if you think that any detail is incorrect. I hope you understood this process and you liked our video. Please, if you have understood this video completely, if you still have any doubt, you can comment us below the video or you can message us. I hope you have liked this video. If you like our dedication, please press the red subscribe button. And I am just giving you one more opportunity. You can message us on Instagram and ask any document issues, any document details that you need. If you have been looking for scholarships like previous 2 3 years but have not known the exact key to the success, you can message us and ask us how. We will guide you with that. And please do subscribe before messaging us. And hope you like this video. I am signing off for full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.